Hey everyone, got a fun day ahead of us today. We're going to be unboxing a new Seiko 5 Sports, this SRPD79. And here's the new Seiko 5 boxes, a little bit smaller than the regular Seiko boxes. And then when you take out the real case, it's even smaller, and it's got this kind of pattern on the silver grayish blue box. And it's lighter than the other boxes as well. And here we go, the Blackout Seiko 5 Sport watch. This is part of the Street series, and this actually has a 4R36 caliber, so a 4R36 movement, which is nice. So yes, the movement is a 4R36, and this model part of the Street series of the Seiko 5 Sports. All the Seiko 5 Sports are based on the SKX head, if you look at it, and they just kind of changed it for each of the different models. This one here is the Blackout version with the NATO style strap. The only thing about this new series, they're very cool, but they aren't dive watches, even though they technically are based on a dive watch model. They only go 100 meters, and they do not have the screw down crown. So yes, here, part of the Street series of the Seiko 5, you can see it on my wrist. It is a 42.5 millimeter watch, and the thickness is 13.4 millimeters. I love that it's a matte finish instead of a shiny glossy black. Just looks cool, and overall a really nice watch for a fantastic price. Thanks everyone, have a good one.